Hi guys, hope you all are well. I am Keshav Chhipa and welcome to my new video. Today we're going to understand what is permission set group, what's the use case of it, and we can also run through the demo. So without any delay, let's start it. So Salesforce has layers of accesses: org access, object access, record access, and field access. The permission set groups come under the object access. So let's understand what is PS group. So PS group is a combination of multiple permission sets permissions. So if you understand with this in this picture, we have added these three permission set which A, B, C, and they have some respected permissions. And as we have added these three permission set into a permission set group, now the union of and the combinations of all the permissions is available into the permission set group. I think it's little bit difficult to understand. We can just it will be easy to understand with the demo. So to have the permissions of permission set group, the user should have these two permissions: manage profile and permission sets, and assign permission sets. So we can just directly jump into the demo. So here we're gonna find the permission set. So in this the same, we do have a permission set group and the permission set. So first we're gonna create two permission sets. Though first we're gonna create a lead permission set which we're gonna give permissions of create, and I'm not selecting any license over here. So in this we're gonna give the create access, the read and create access of lead. Read and create access of lead. So it has been, lead has been done. Now we're gonna create another two permission set which is opportunity permission set which do have a delete access, and as I'm not selecting any license over here too, so in this we're gonna search for opportunity. As they have no access now, so we're gonna get delete and the add the create one. Now we have a two permission set. The one is for the lead and second for the opportunity. And for the lead we do have a read and create access, and the opportunity we do have a all four default accesses: the read, create, edit, and delete access. So here by click on the new this button, we're gonna create a new permission set group, and it's give PSG test is gonna be the name. So it gives us two options: the permission set in group and the muting permissions set in group. So we're gonna understand one by one, and by clicking on the first one, it's give this UI, and here we need to add the permission sets. So we're gonna add our both the lead one, and we're gonna add this first, and the opportunity one. Opportunity has been added. Cool. So back to the permission set. Now if you just have a look, this is the PSG test, which is a permission set group, and if you just check the object permissions over here, so now the lead has a read and create, and the opportunity is has a read, create, edit, delete. So that's how the, and if you just assign the users to this permission set group, now that user have both object access, the lead one and the opportunity one. If you talk about the muting permission set group, it is very interesting to learn on the muting one. So the muting permission set, we need to create new one, and it's just directly create a new one, and the muted term is appended automatically. I think its label is already is been used, so we can just have one. Yes. So this has been created. Now if you go on the object setting, so as you can see, now we do have it one more column called muted. So this is our original permissions on the permission set group, which is read, create, edit, delete. Now we're gonna revoke the delete and edit access. Delete and edit access. We have just revoked. Now it is revoked. Now if you just back to our permission set group, which is PSG test, which is our main permission set group. So if you just check the object permission, we just have a look by read. Now the lead has a read create and the opportunity also has a read create, as we have just revoked the edit and delete permission by the muting functionality. So that's how the muting of permissions and the permission set groups basically. And you can just directly assign the manage assignments by just adding the users. Yeah, so that's all about the permission set and permission set groups.